Hey everyone, today we're comparing Streamlabs and OBS. And if you've been unsure which one you should actually use for streaming, this quick breakdown should help a lot. So both tools let you stream to YouTube, Twitch, all of that, but they're built a little differently. OBS is the original open source option, lightweight and super customizable. Streamlabs is based on OBS, but adds a bunch of built-in features that make life easier for beginners. When it comes to ease of use, Streamlabs is definitely simpler. You get themes, alerts, drag and drop widgets, all ready to go. OBS takes more setup, but once you get used to it, it's clean and really stable. Now, performance-wise, OBS wins. It uses fewer system resources, which means smoother streams, especially if your PC isn't super powerful. Streamlabs, tends to use more CPU because of everything running in the background. Feature-wise, Streamlabs packs in alerts, chat overlays, donation tools, pretty much everything. OBS starts basic, but you can add plugins to customize it however you want. And about pricing. OBS is completely free. Streamlabs is free too, but some of the premium stuff and multi-streaming features require a subscription. So here's the bottom line. Choose OBS if you want the best performance and full control. Choose Streamlabs if you want something beginner-friendly with built-in tools. And that's the quick comparison. Hopefully this helped you decide what fits your stream, a little better.